Hi, my name is Daniel here at Swansway Honda Stockport, and today I'm going to be taking you around this approved used Honda Jazz 1.5 i-MMD EX. Now this vehicle has currently done 16,854 miles and it's finished in the colour Premium Sunlight. It sits very nicely on 16-inch alloy wheels. You've got LED headlights which light up the road nicely, providing you with great visibility. This Jazz features keyless entry and go, making access into the vehicle much easier. You can unlock and start the vehicle without needing to take the key fob out of your pocket. Taking a look in the boot, you will find 304 litres of space. This can be increased to 1,205 litres with the rear seats down. Taking a look inside to the rear, you have your very smart part leather interior with the contrasting cloth. There are ISOFIX points on the outer seat, so you can easily fit a child seat into the vehicle. Up front you have your leather wrapped multifunction steering wheel. Moving around to your front seats, there's plenty of adjustment in the driver's seat, so you can easily find the perfect driving position. To the left of your steering wheel, you've got controls for adjusting the infotainment system. To the right, you have your adaptive cruise control, which is perfect for motorway journeys. You also have a heated steering wheel, so you can keep your hands nice and warm. On the display here in the instrument cluster, you've got access to a variety of different driving data. There's even access to your audio, telephone and navigation menus. You've got your different driver assist features, including your lane departure warning system, blind spot monitoring and your collision warning to keep you safe and secure while on the go. Centered here in the dashboard, you have your touchscreen infotainment system. This system has access to DAB, FM and AM radio. You can also play your own music with USB inputs and Bluetooth audio. With Bluetooth, you also have your telephone menu where you can safely make hands-free phone calls while on the go. The system does come with navigation to ensure you're never lost, allowing you to head to all new places with ease. There's also your smartphone connectivity with access to Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Here you can pair your smartphone up to safely make hands-free phone calls and texts and access compatible applications directly through the touchscreen. Here you've got your main menu with all of your different features. This Jazz comes with parking sensors and a rear camera to make parking much easier. Below your display you have your automatic climate control. It comes with heated front seats to keep you nice and warm on those colder days. You've got two USB points and a 12-volt socket. In the center console you'll find your automatic gear selector and the electronic handbrake.